there, I'm Alexis, and welcome to another, the first, episode of Alexis the Science Nerd. Our hot topic today is nuclear fusion and the sun.
But who wants to learn about nuclear fusion?
Everybody! Now on to our first segment.
And that's how we know that the sun is actually just a magic ball of light in the sky.
Actually, it's not.
Who are you?
Alexis the Science Nerd, to be exact. And I'm going to take over this class.
What? No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Now just go sit down and enjoy the class. And try to keep up, please. Now, the sun is actually made up of hydrogen, whose nuclei is fusing together to release a boatload of energy and heat. Yes?
What's fusing?
An excellent question. Nuclear fusion is when two nuclei of a low mass combine to form one nucleus of a higher mass.
What?
Okay, this is going to take way more of an explanation. Think of it like this. Now, let's just say that two people are jumping on a trampoline. As they jump, they hit each other and link arms, combining to make a higher mass.
Okay, but what does that have to do with the son of magic?
I'll explain that in the next segment. Hold on.
It's getting hot in here. Let's fuse some nuclei.
Okay, so now we all know what nuclear fusion is, but how is temperature going to be related? To answer this burning question, let's return to the example from the previous segment. Now, these people are the positively charged nuclei. The nuclei are repelling each other currently, but as their anger increases, or as they start moving faster, their kinetic energy, or their anger in this case, will overcome the repelling electrical forces, along with the heat in the situation that they're in, or the girl. And so this girl, or heat as we'll call her, will draw the nuclei closer, stopping their argument and making them be friends again. Now, as the temperature increases, so will their kinetic energy of the nuclei. The extreme high temperature that's required for this is only found in cores of stars, though, like the sun.
It's getting hot in here. Maybe it's because I'm here.
The sun. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, so now that you know about how temperature affects nuclear fusion, let's talk about the sun.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh, I like that. You guys can keep doing that. Anyways, the sun
Dun, dun, dun.
is the major source of energy of life on Earth and is mainly composed of hydrogen atoms. You know, that one element that's in the beginning of the periodic table? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Hydrogen in the sun
Dun, dun, dun.
fuses together to form helium, releasing large amounts of energy and heat. This process occurs through several stages, but the net result is 4 hydrogen nuclei that become a heavier helium nucleus. However, the amount of hydrogen in the sun
Dun, dun, dun.
is lessening the more that the sun ages, meaning that eventually the sun
Dun, dun, dun.
will eventually burn out. But don't stress too much. We don't have to worry about that in the sudden end of life on Earth for about another 5 billion years.
Early morning with DNA. Da, 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 da.
Good morning, everybody. I'm deoxyribonucleic acid, and I'm here with an intergalactic star. Now, please, everyone give it up for the sun.
Sunrise.
Now, tell us what makes you such a hot celebrity.
Well, my secret is that I'm mainly composed of hydrogen, which fuses together to make helium nuclei. This creates tremendous amounts of energy from a small amount of mass. It's a massive change that makes a lot of energy.
Sounds like a very exhausting process.
It definitely is. I don't know how long I can keep it up. I only have so much hydrogen.
It doesn't feel like that much energy is being given off.
That's because I only have so much attention to give out at one time. But trust me, there's enough of me to go around.
How do you feel about being a celebrity in 5 billion years?
Honestly, I think I'll feel a little bit burnt out.
Well, it was lovely having you, and good luck with your next episode of Dancing with the Stars. Oh, thank you.
Sunset.
Now, up next, we'll be talking to Pluto and how they feel about not being considered a planet. Stay tuned.
So, do you get it now?
Yes, of course. It's
not
simple.
really sure, I
Good
guess.
enough. So in conclusion, nuclear fusion is when two nuclei with low mass come together, making one nucleus with a large mass producing a lot of energy. This happens more often at a higher temperature because heat makes atoms more excited, causing them to have a greater chance of fusing. The sun is a prime example of this because of its incredibly hot and oftentimes fusing hydrogen together to form helium.
So the sun isn't magic?
No, it's science, which I guess is close enough.
very exhausting process. Well, I messed up.